Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do hit the bell icon on the like button. That's how I know that you guys like these kind of videos and I can keep making more of it. So here are some fun facts about Sydney. After World War II, it experienced a mass migration and became one of the most multicultural cities in the world. So the population is 45% reported to have been born overseas, and the city has the fourth largest foreign born population of any city in the world after London and New York. And Sydney actually is more expensive than New York and Paris, just to give you guys a perspective. And we found this place 2 months. It took us 2 months to find this place, and we wanted a furnished spot for 6 months. So here's the apartment tour. Let me take you guys through it.
Whispering because Rihanna's sleeping. Washer and dryer are not usually common, but we have both. Drying rack is pretty common, like France, but we're not going to use it. Forget that. This is Rihanna's room. I don't know what we're going to do with these beds, but I think we are going to bridge them together and make his room in the corner here. He's got a nice little closet here. I'm still in my pajamas that I wore for that 17-hour flight. So this is pretty decent. They have a little heater space thing. But yeah, this is the first room. And then he has his own bathroom, which he already took care of business, so I have to figure out how I'm gonna dispose his diapers here. But it's a nice mirror here. We've got a tub so we can bathe him in. So this is pretty nice. Has a shower head. They have a tub here. This is the kitchen. It's pretty spacious. So we got a furnished place for 6 months, and that's the microwave. Let's see, what else do we have here? We've got some pots, storage stuff, lots of nice bowls and plates to eat in, so we don't have to buy that. And honestly, the kitchen counter space is clutch. That is the oven. They don't have a dishwasher. That's gonna be a problem. Maybe this is a dishwasher. Oh, it is a dishwasher. Oh my god. I was gonna be like, what the hell? I'm not gonna have a dishwasher here. These are all the glasses. Got a toaster, we've got a kettle. Is that a rice cooker? I don't know what that is. That's a toaster. I'm really scared that like a snake is gonna pop out of nowhere here, because it's really common to have snakes. Just cleaning supplies. This is another area and sink. Pretty nice. Got all the utensils and knives. We've got some basic pots and pans here. Okay. Storage jars. Got a little garbage. I'm gonna give you a tour. This is the living space. This is the dining, 4-table of dining. This is the living room. And this is the kitchen from the outside. Honestly, it's really nice. You even have like 2 little tables here. They have a nice TV here, pretty big. And I love the patio. This is our room, and I put Rihanna to sleep. That's why I'm whispering right now. So I'm not gonna talk when I go inside. But this is the patio.
We are living in North CBD, which means Central Business District. Basically, it's downtown. So we're living in North Downtown of Sydney. And you can see the actual downtown from our balcony, which is really nice. So the patio area is pretty spacious. And the city is called New South Wales. So that's where we're at, Sydney, Australia, New South Wales. And yeah, this is the other side of where our bedroom is going to be. So I can come out from here as well. So I'm going to go back inside. I'm not going to really talk as much because Rhiannon's sleeping in that room. I'm just going to give you guys a quick tour. This is our bedroom right here. Rhiannon's enjoying a little nap sesh as soon as we got home from a 17-hour flight. He was super jet lagged for at least a week. So are we. And yeah, basically this is the room. They have a heater and an AC, which is really nice. France didn't have any AC, so this was a really nice break. This is the only closet space we have. Can you imagine? This is going to be a nightmare. But this is it. For one side is for Adel and one side is for me. And this is another bathroom. This is a master bedroom bathroom, which is really nice. Very spacious. So we keep one bathroom for Rhiannon's changing and all of that, and one bathroom for our showering and stuff. So that came in really handy.
It's 2:30 a.m. and we all woke up because we're super jet lagged. I'm gonna feed him. I changed his diaper. That was our lunch and dinner last night. We all fell asleep at like 7 at night. So I'm gonna feed him, change his diaper. Yeah. Aldo, bring him. Look at him, he's so fresh. He's so fresh. 2:30 a.m.
You can't eat mom's camera.
Yeah, you can. Aja, let's get you some milky milk.
And that was our whole apartment tour. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Take care.
Turn the music up, turn the music down. God, please tell me what's that sound, and tell